today and wondering what's happening here, yes, this is a Christmassy event, as you can tell by the clothes. What we're doing here is an action in support of Palestine today. Because during the Christmas shopping period, people are buying lots of stuff from everywhere. But what many people are not aware of is that many shops here in this very city stock products made by companies from Israel who benefit from the oppression of the Palestinians, who benefit from the dispossession of the Palestinians, who benefit from their ongoing suffering in their traditional lands. So we're here today to draw attention to this in a bright, bubbly, Christmassy way.
As you can see, today we're doing something a little different from the usual Palestine rally. We decided to get into the festive spirit, you know, well, if you couldn't tell.
Well, we decided to get you into the festive spirit. We're in the festive spirit 8 hours a day, plus overtime.
So we'll be doing a tour of the city, going around to all the different shops, all the different companies that profit from the dispossession of Palestinian land, from the siege in Gaza, from the suffering of the Palestinian people. So
it's really apartheid. Look what you have done. Killed dozens in Gaza. Terrorized everyone. And so this is Christmas. Let's boycott Israel. No profit for apartheid. Palestine's not for sale.